Retire and Make Money Fast. Profit Automation Secrets. Free webinar by Dr. Charles Edrims. What if I told you that the hardest part of your working life is already behind you? Yet the most important question is still unanswered? You worked, you built, you served, but now you're asking yourself something that keeps you awake at night. How do I make money without exhausting myself again? If you're in your 50s or 60s, retired or close to retirement, this question is not a luxury, it's survival. Because bills don't respect retirement. Responsibilities don't disappear. And time becomes more valuable than ever. Let me introduce you to someone you might recognize. Mr. Thomas. He's 58. Married. 4 children. Lives in Abuja. Former road construction professional. Highly educated. Respected. But every month, he feels the same pressure. Income is inconsistent. Savings shrink faster than expected. And the fear of, what if something goes wrong, never fully leaves. He's not lazy. He's not uneducated. He's simply trapped in a system where money stops when work stops. That's the real problem. Not lack of effort. Not lack of intelligence. But lack of automation. In today's digital economy, people who earn consistently don't work harder. They build systems. And that's exactly what the Profit Automation Masterclass by Dr. Charles Edrims is about. This is not another online promise. It's a step-by-step system designed to help everyday people build income that doesn't depend on daily labor. No technical background required. No complicated tools. No risky shortcuts. Just clear guidance built from real business experience, proven automation models, real market data, and years of testing what actually works. Now, let's talk about what's going on in your mind right now. You might be thinking, can someone like me really do this? That fear is normal, because you've seen too many people online selling dreams. You've watched countless YouTube videos that explain everything and change nothing. This is different, because this course values simplicity over complexity. Everything is broken down in plain language. Each step builds on the last. You always know what to do next, and why you're doing it. Another concern. I don't have time to learn something complicated. That's exactly why automation matters. The goal here is not to keep you busy. The goal is to help you build something once that keeps working repeatedly. So instead of trading hours for income, you build assets that support you long-term. There's also the fear no one talks about openly. What if I fail again? That fear comes from past disappointment, not from inability. Most people fail because they had no mentor, no roadmap, no proven system. The Profit Automation Masterclass removes guesswork. You are guided step by step, using real case studies, practical examples, market psychology, tested automation tools, ethical and sustainable strategies. This is about doing less of what doesn't work and more of what does. Now let's talk about freedom. Not fake freedom. Real freedom. The freedom to wake up without panic. The freedom to know income is coming. The freedom to choose how you spend your time. That's the mission behind this masterclass. To help everyday people create automated income systems that bring stability, peace of mind, and control, without stress, hype, or confusion. If you're still watching this, it means something inside you is saying, I don't want to struggle anymore. And that's exactly where change begins. But change doesn't happen by watching more videos. It happens by taking one simple step. That's why Dr. Charles Edrims is hosting a free webinar class where he breaks down how profit automation actually works, why most people fail online, and how to avoid it, the simple systems anyone can start with, how to build income without tech overwhelm. No cost, no pressure, just clarity. So here's what to do next. Click the link in the video description below and register for the free webinar by Dr. Charles Edrims. Give yourself the chance to learn a better way, because the future doesn't reward hard work alone anymore. It rewards smart systems. And this might be the smartest decision you make this year.